Do you want to work in the UK? Great news for you. The UK is offering thousands of jobs with visa sponsorship for international workers from the hospitality, agriculture, teaching, IT, engineering to the healthcare sectors. These opportunities are wide open for everyone. So with visa sponsorship, you don't just get a job, you get the chance to live, work and build your future in one of the world's most dynamic countries. The link to the website is in the description box to start your journey now. So if you find value in this video, make sure to hit the like button, share to your friends and also subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services. This is a wonderful community platform that you'll be able to know a lot of things in terms of traveling abroad.
Once you click on the link, it will take you to this page you are seeing on the screen here. We have visa/ sponsorship compliance senior specialist. We have the clinical psychologist. It comes with visa sponsorship. This psychologist also comes with visa sponsorship. We also have NMC registered nurse with tier 2 sponsorship. Home caregiver, it doesn't come with visa sponsorship. So if you are one looking for visa sponsorship job, then this home caregiver is not for you. I think this is for people who are already in the UK. The discipline specific internship. Also, we have the senior corporate counsel, research director, machine learning manager, consultant in acute medicine. It also comes with visa sponsorship. So you have to check out, or for you to know the full details about this job, all you have to do is to click on the job. Let's check out this clinical psychologist together. You click on it. Once you click on it, then it will open it on the right hand side there for you. It will bring full details about the clinical psychologist, everything you need to know, the job details, the salary, the job type, location, benefits. You can see these are the benefits: annual leave, employee discount, free parking, company pension, UK visa sponsorship and the car scheme. The full job description, you can see this is everything you need to know, benefits, everything. So once you are done going through this description and it's something you would like to go for, then you just click on this apply on company site. So once you click on it, it will redirect you to the company's website where you start your application. And please make sure your CV is of high standard. Yes, and if you have any supporting document that can boost your chance of getting selected, make sure you do that, because employers will like people with good certificate experience. So even if they want to sponsor your visa and you are not having enough, you are not showing them you are the one for the job, they won't pick you. So you have to let them know, convince them that yes, you are the perfect one for this job. And I'm very sure you would get selected if you are lucky. So this is the same step you are going to use for any other job you are checking out on this website. And please, if you want a visa sponsorship job, don't go for jobs that are temporary. So if you go for a temporary job, you won't get visa sponsorship. So there is no way they will sponsor someone down from overseas, maybe from Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Zimbabwe, down to the UK just for a temporary job. No, they won't do that. So if you want them to sponsor you down there, then you go for permanent jobs. And make sure these companies are some of these companies, yes, 80% or 90% of these companies are licensed companies. So it will be easier for them to sponsor your visa down to the UK. So it's just as simple as that. I wish you best of luck.
Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services.